PlatformE is a technology company on a mission to drastically reduce overproduction and waste in the fashion industry. The company was founded to help brands sell to digital consumers in this evolving world and produce products in precise quantities. After extensive research, we built the best technological stack using 3D product visualization, 3D product configuration, and supply chain technology to make on-demand fashion possible. Our comprehensive software platform elevates the selling experience and streamlines production, providing scalability, visibility, and control over your entire made-to-order process. PlatformE combines your product catalog with 3D artistry, so you can show millions, or even billions of potential configurations in real time, ultimately avoiding the massive sampling and photo shooting. We power personalization and on-demand manufacturing for the top fashion brands in the world, increasing margins and eliminating company stock risk. We recognize the sustainable impact and convergence of 3D, personalization, customization, made-to-order, and the value of eliminating the silos between sales, engineering, and manufacturing. PlatformE is the go-to solution for every fashion brand that wants to sell personalized items on demand and efficiently. PlatformE. Fashion's leap into the future.